In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate a PDF file into different languages quickly and easily. Using this simple and free method, you can translate your documents into many languages without installing any software. This is especially useful for students, researchers, teachers, and professionals who work with documents in different languages. So let's get started. Open your internet browser. Open your Google Drive in your web browser. Once Google Drive opens, click on the plus symbol icon in the top left corner, then select File Upload. Now choose the PDF file from your computer that you want to translate and upload it to Google Drive. After the file is uploaded, locate it in your drive and click to open it. You'll see the PDF preview on your screen. Now, click on Open With and select Google Docs. Google Docs will automatically convert your PDF into an editable document. This step is important because it allows the translation feature to work properly. Once the document opens in Google Docs, go to the top menu and click on Tools, then select Translate Document. A new window will appear asking you to choose your target language. You can select from many languages such as Urdu, Arabic, Spanish, French, Hindi, and more. For this example, I will select Urdu language. After selecting the language, click on Translate. Within a few seconds, Google Docs will create a new translated version of your document. You'll notice that the entire text has been converted into your selected language while keeping the original formatting as much as possible. Now for the final step, click on File, then select Download and choose PDF document.pdf. This will save the translated document as a PDF file on your computer, ready to use, share, or print. This method is completely free, fast, and very easy to use. You can repeat the same steps to translate your PDF into any other language whenever needed. It saves time and makes it simple to understand documents written in foreign languages. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.